I've never done this before. I'm struggling off camera. What's going on, guys? Today we are setting up an intake on the Cruze. You can see I bought this AEM induction system, so let's open it up here. Not a lot of people still do these unboxings, but what we got here? Instructions goes up there. License plate, probably don't need. Whole bunch of stuffing, check. We got piping. We have rubber sealant for heat shielding. What else we got here? Bolts, screws, nuts. Nice. Oops. Adapter hose. Nice, from the turbo. And cone filter. AME, not K&N, because I don't like K&N at all. I like AME. So I bought it. And down here we have the heat shielding. That looks sick. That's gonna be definitely a lot of fun. So put that on top of the BMW nicely. It's a little dirty, but so we gotta take the piping off here. There's an adapter that a new hose I can put on. Pipe here, we gotta disconnect here. The MAP sensor needs to come off. Torque wrench, there's a bolt there, there's a bolt there. We need to pull this up with the prior. So I'm gonna go get everything put together, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So now that we got all the parts, as I said, we're gonna take this tab off here. So you just take a little flathead screwdriver, push that up. Pipe should come out here, and then we'll loosen here, and then we'll pinch that up, and then this whole air box should come up very easy after we take off the MAF sensor. That old intake is out. She's got a lot of room. Next, we're just gonna check to see if the two garments are there still, and both are still there. The third one that I currently have in my hand, this little guy here, he can remain off because we don't need him anymore. Next, we're just gonna head over, get the piping and everything ready for the next build. So the next part, we are going to be taking out the MAF sensor, just with the little Torx head. Here, just 2 bolts, one at the top, 1 and 2. So we'll just gently take that out. We're gonna drop the airbox, take a beautiful new piping here, and we're gonna simply just seat it inside there. Then we're gonna take the bolts that came with the kit, tighten those down. That's how it is when it's done. So next, we're gonna take our shielding, our beautiful new shielding. I've never done this before. I'm struggling off camera, and off camera magic. It is on. I will never be doing this again, but it is on. To finish installing, we'll install this little nipple here, and I will put in a centerpiece here, And boom, she's all done. Now we just need to install our heat shield. Now the cold air duct's in place. And now that that's done, we are gonna go back to the car to install it. Next, we're gonna take this PVC here and we're just gonna maneuver it. Move that upwards, aim it up. And then the kit came with this line here, so we're just gonna pop that on there. Then we're gonna take the couplet with this band over top. Just gonna stick it on the inlet turbo. Give that a couple turns. Now the inlet, this little pipe will be on. We're just gonna tighten this down quickly. There we go. Next, we're gonna install, not that apparently. How does that go? That is now installed. I'm not doing that again. Now we'll be installing our actual intake outlet. So we're just gonna push it in through here. From there, gonna take, next is our cone intake, and then we're gonna install this. Make sure it's on all the way. She's good. I'm gonna tighten it down. That's tightened in. So we're gonna reconnect the MAF sensor. MAF. Click down on the button. Before we install the PVC, I'm just gonna tighten down this inlet. Next, we'll just position and connect that PVC like so. So there you have it, folks. It is now installed. Let's clean this up, fire it up, and see what this intake sounds like now. As always, guys, thank you so much for checking out the videos. It means a lot. The support is unreal, especially at a channel beginning like this one is. I know it's not the best content. It's gonna get better. It just takes time to get better. And with that, guys, if you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and a comment below. If you have any suggestions, feedback, anything, I'm open to any kind of formula, constructive criticism, whatnot. For the future, I will take everything in consideration and actually use it onto the channel if it's relevant. Remember, guys, to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Check out the content. There's gonna be loads there. I'll get you guys an update on the 740. It's just a lot of work going on. It's really hard to film, especially if I'm new to this. I am trying my best. So I'll send you guys an update to see the progress that's been made. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.